Hi everyone, I am Lovleen and welcome back to my channel Keen Lovleen. As many of you wanted to know how I made Bhuvan Bam's painting using coffee, so here I am presenting before you Bhuvan Bam the coffee way. Hope you'll like it. Let's get started. Okay, so here I am using the lightest shade of the coffee color that I made. So basically I'm making the base, coloring the base first, and then I'll build on with the layers. Here I am using another shade of the coffee, a bit darker than the one that I used for the base. So I'm highlighting the parts of the face here. In order to add a little dimension to my portrait, I'm using some black watercolor for the hair part of this portrait. I'm adding some more watercolor here. Actually, this portrait was becoming a little monotonous and monochromatic, so I wanted to add a little color to it. If you want to know how you can use watercolor along with coffee to make your art look even better, you can also check out my other video, the link for which I'll mention in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. It took me almost 8 hours to complete this. Okay, so this is how I made Bhuvan Bam's painting. It turned out really well. And if you really like this video, do show me some love. Subscribe, share and like my video so that this video can reach Bhuvan Bam someday. Thanks for watching.